In the world of software, teams push updates to millions of users without ever leaving their desks. At Viam, we believe managing hardware at scale should work the same way, by empowering operators with remote diagnostics, logging, fleet-wide over-the-air updates, proactive alerting, and access control. Let's take a look at Viam's fleet management through the eyes of your automation team. This is what remote diagnostics looks like in Viam. When you click into a machine, you get its full component tree, which is live and accessible from anywhere. This means that when something goes wrong, you can diagnose without SSHing in. The work doesn't end at diagnosis. Once you track down the issue in the logs, you're able to fix it right in the config editor and verify it in the test panel, all without having to leave the Viam platform. Logs are one of the most important debugging tools, and with Viam, you have remote access to them even when the machine is offline. Every machine streams a full, searchable history, and if a machine goes dark, that history is saved so you can see exactly what happened before it dropped. This represents direct business savings. You avoid the need to find, pay, and send a technician on site to investigate an issue. Instead, you can access all the information you need from the Viam interface. As your fleet grows, managing and updating configs across machines and deployment environments can become a job of its own. Viam solves this with a feature we call Fragments. You define your config once and can deploy it across an entire fleet of machines, or a selection of your choosing. This allows you to easily tag your configuration versions like stable or canary and assign specific machines to those tags. So when you push a config change, like updating max RPM from 300 to 200, the machine in Austin, which is pinned to stable, stays at 300. But the one in Chicago, which is a canary machine, has updated to 200 automatically over the air. Regardless of the specific robotic application, unexpected downtime is expensive for any business. In Viam, automation teams have the tools they need to get proactive alerts ahead of machine failure. Triggers let you define exactly what matters, like a part going offline or a data threshold being crossed, and Viam notifies the right people automatically. Security and role-based access control are built into the platform. Just add a team member and assign their role. Your operators get the access they need to work with the machines, but they can't accidentally change organization or billing settings. Viam's fleet management tools are built for end-to-end management of robotic devices across any application. With remote diagnostics, fragments, over-the-air updates, and proactive alerts, Viam allows your team to manage your hardware like software. That's Viam Fleet Management.